Folks, I want to talk about the cryptocurrency markets, specifically Cardano. But first, I want to talk about the possibility of a double top alien invasion, anal probe, up your ass, triple top theory that may bring Bitcoin to $60,000 by the end of the. Just kidding. We don't do that shit here. But I do want to talk about Cardano and the markets. Like I said in my video yesterday, Bitcoin got rejected at about 31.5. I thought we might hit 32, but we got rejected at about 31.5. Nothing shocking. I expected this dump, as should you if you watch my channel. But this video is about Cardano. I've been talking about Cardano for the last few months. Cardano, holding on strong. Almost 62 cents while everything else is dumping. In fact, this surprised me as well. When I saw Bitcoin drop down to 29,000, it was about 29.7 when I looked. I was thinking, you know what? Cardano's probably back down to like 54 cents. Why not? Checked, still at 61 cents. Why? What did I say in my previous videos? That was a very strong possibility. The Vasil hard fork will keep Cardano strong until the end of the month. So, and that's exactly what's happening. Cardano did not drop with Bitcoin. Not saying it won't, but it's holding on strong, and that's extremely positive. What have I been saying? Cardano is going to be one of the strongest contenders in the top 10, top 20, probably for the whole year, but definitely until after this Vasil hard fork. Absolutely incredible. 61, 62 cents, while everything else is basically taking a little bit of a dumper. All right, folks, Cardano has reached a new milestone as the number of projects on the platform has exceeded the 1,000 mark, according to recent data, which is up to 1,000 and up from 992 reported over the weekend. So, folks, people are constantly building on Cardano. No matter what happens, no matter what the price, no matter how low we go, people are building on Cardano, and Cardano will be $10 in the next bull market. There's no question about it. Grayscale has increased its Cardano allocation to 30%. Why would they do that? Why are all the big wigs and the big money buying Cardano right now? What could that be? And keep in mind, Grayscale was buying Cardano before the last pump. Back in 2020, they were buying Cardano. Grayscale buying an asset usually means it will pump in the future. They generally don't buy shit. That's how it usually goes. Alrighty, another article. There's a lot of articles about Cardano today. Why? Well, Cardano most likely had a bottom of about 38 cents. We may not go lower than that. It happened last month when Bitcoin dropped down to 25,000. Cardano has been up significantly since then. It's nothing but bullish sentiment right now for Cardano. Here's another article. Cardano finding a stable footing. Is it getting ready for a jump or a pump? Yes, I think it is. Like I said in my video yesterday, I think Cardano could probably hit between 90 cents to $1 before this Vasil hard fork. Now, a lot of it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to be weak and Bitcoin drops down to $27,000, of course, Cardano will probably level out at around 70 cents, maybe where it is right now. Not much will happen. But if Bitcoin does decide to rally, Cardano could easily hit almost $1 by the Vasil hard fork, which is when I will be selling most likely some of my Cardano in anticipation for a big dump. But look, folks, my point is, and I've made this point many times, I've been saying it for months. If you're going to buy an altcoin right now, it's got to be Cardano and Theta, but definitely Cardano. Every other altcoin just doesn't have the sentiment right now Cardano has. Every other altcoin has basically proven to be a hot load of shit, at least in the top 10. Let's go down the list. BNB, SEC lawsuit, folks. Why is BNB at 283 right now? Why can't it breach 300? Well, Binance is looking into BNB token for an unregistered security. So, as much as I love BNB, and I've said if I can get BNB for 250, I'll be buying it, and I still hold that sentiment. But like I said, a lot of these altcoins have a lot of negativity around them. If BNB gets investigated for being a security, it will get delisted, just like XRP did from US-based exchanges. That doesn't mean it's going to go to zero, but is that something you really want to be holding in a bear market? Well, for me, depending on the price, $200, $250 BNB, maybe it's worth it. Just like with XRP, they have the SEC lawsuit. So XRP under 20 cents, under 10 cents, yeah, maybe I'll hold some. We'll see what happens after the lawsuit. But you don't want to be holding these coins with like a black cloud over their head. You want to be holding strong projects that have a lot going for them and they have sentiment behind them. The big whales are not buying XRP right now. I can tell you that right now. And they're not buying BNB. And the whales that do hold BNB will dump BNB the minute the shit hits the fan. Right now, there's an informal investigation from the SEC. We'll see where that goes. This is not something I want to be holding. Call me crazy. I don't want to be holding something under SEC investigation in the bear market. This shit is risky enough, folks. It's risky enough. Yeah, sure. We get a huge dump because of the SEC investigation. You buy some just for shits and giggles to see what happens. That's great. But I'm looking for stability in my life. I'm getting old. And I think Cardano is the way to go. If you bought Cardano at 38 cents, 43 cents, like I said, you'd be up significantly and you have the sentiment behind you right now. I really do feel that we're going to hit that 90-cent mark, maybe almost $1 for the Vasil hard fork. That's a doubling of your money. Solana, back under $40. I don't trust it. Like I said, Solana dumps and it pumps hard. But once those venture capitalists decide they don't want to deal with this garbage anymore, it's going to go to $5 and it's not going to come back. Will that happen? I don't know. But in a bear market, I'm not risking it. Dogecoin, come on, give me a break. So what else in the top? Let's go top 20. What else in the top 20 other than Cardano? Honestly, and I'll be honest, I'll be flat out honest. The only other coin, I even did a video on me regretting holding Litecoin for so long back in 2017 through 2020. Probably Litecoin, because Litecoin at least probably won't go to zero. It will probably bottom out at about $30. And hopefully it hits $500 in the next bull market. So if we're just talking top 20, just top 20, the only thing I would buy is Cardano. Oh, and Litecoin, but I won't buy Litecoin until it goes under $50. That's it. Now, if you want to go top 30, still nothing. Where's my Theta? I can never find my Theta. There's Theta, $1.24. Actually, Theta's holding on pretty good too. So basically, let's do top 50. Top 50, Theta I would hold right now, Litecoin, and VeChain at under 2 cents. VeChain is too expensive right now at 3 cents. Because if Bitcoin drops to $25,000, $20,000, VeChain will dump to a penny. There's just not good sentiment behind it. Now, I do think it will hit 30, 40 cents in the bull market. But I won't be buying this now. So anyway, folks, I just want to make a quick video. I want to show you guys that Cardano is the altcoin that is holding on strong. Why? A lot of good stuff happening. Vasil hard fork. The whales are accumulating it. And there's just an overall good sentiment with Cardano. You know, Cardano has been down and hit so hard since its $3 mark. These coins bottom out. They bottom out at some point. And the positive thing is I think Cardano probably did bottom out. Now, there's still that possibility Cardano dumps down to 25, 30 cents. I'm ready for it. I welcome it. I have money ready to go. But there's a very good chance that Cardano will never dump below 35 cents again. So that's what you have to look at. And with this Vasil hard fork, the sky is the limit for now. Maybe we could go above $1. For me, I'm looking at about 90 cents. If you're trading this, I'm looking at about 90 cents to get out of it. But the point of today's video, just short and sweet, like I've been saying, two things. I told you guys Bitcoin was probably going to get rejected at 32,000. We got rejected at 31,500. Okay, close enough. And I told you that Cardano was going to be the main altcoin in the top 20, top 30 to be holding for the next few months, especially because of the Vasil hard fork, and it's probably going to hold on the strongest out of all the altcoins. As you can see, Cardano has not dumped while Bitcoin is dumped. That's a good sign, folks. When Bitcoin dumps and your altcoin doesn't dump and it's going up, that is a positive sign, and that's what you want to be looking for. Now, this is only happening because of the Vasil hard fork. If it wasn't for the Vasil hard fork, Cardano would be right down to 40 cents right now. So I am completely bullish on Cardano until a day before or maybe 2 days before the Vasil hard fork. After that, I will reassess because there will most likely be a dump at that point. But long term, Cardano will be the winner. Out of the top 20, Cardano will be the winner in the next 2 years and going into the next bull market. And Cardano will be the winner for all of June up until the Vasil hard fork. I guarantee it. I'm stamping my approval on that one. But yeah, like I said, after that Vasil hard fork, I mean, you're going to see a major dump in Cardano. And then it will basically find a bottom and then slowly will go up from there. But I can't see there not being a dump after the hard fork. That's just, it always happens. It always happens. And remember, the dump is usually not on the day of the hard fork. It's usually a day or two before. So if you're trading and you want to get out at $1, I would get out at 90 cents. You might not make it. If we're at 90 cents 2 days before the hard fork, I would totally get out of Cardano and then look to buy back in lower.